If you've ever done email marketing or cold outreach, you already know one problem: bad email lists. You send out a campaign and suddenly emails start bouncing. And when that happens, it doesn't just waste your time, it can actually damage your sender reputation. So I tested a tool called Reoon Email Verifier, and it's built to solve exactly that problem. The idea is simple. Before you send any emails, you run your list through this tool. It checks which emails are real, which ones are fake, and which ones might cause issues. And the goal is to make sure your emails actually reach real people. What I like is that it goes deeper than just basic checks. It looks at things like domain records, inbox status, and even detects temporary or disposable emails. So instead of guessing, you get a clearer idea of which contacts are safe to use. You can also upload a big list and verify everything in bulk, which saves a lot of time if you're dealing with large campaigns. And if you're building something more advanced, there's an API that lets you verify emails in real time, like during signups. Now, in terms of performance, it's actually pretty fast. And from what users are saying, it does a good job at reducing bounce rates and improving deliverability. If you're running small to medium campaigns, cleaning old lists, or just trying to avoid obvious bad emails, it does the job really well. But if you're scaling heavily and need very high precision, you might notice some limitations. Overall, Reoon Email Verifier feels like one of those tools that quietly does an important job in the background. It's not flashy, but it can save you from a lot of problems, especially if email is a big part of your business. And honestly, if you've ever dealt with high bounce rates, you already know how valuable that can be.